Luda Ayuara district aniare ludo bukedia nepepe kede butebu kesi de lauta laire be pote kesa swam kede agogo kanuda nyune be amengerai nepepe keda kiroto nada koko nada doi kikope kwana etemulo kidongo le nepe kede etemulo butebu ngesi de bunananga kinikati pet no ngesi de keuni Richard Asimwe Lode Rai, Lode Polokiniti Police no district alo Bukedia, Otomada Park nada Jakare, Anginga na Ipuj, Kidinge Temlo Kidongo le Nepeke de Temlo do Butebu, Oraida Kiroto da Kopekwana, Nada Yanga o Akoko na de Kota Iguro Kini Temona Luyare district nada Luyare.
You to understand me, I'll call a spade a spade. From what I'm picking, irrespective of the good people in this community, we also seem to have wrong elements. The other elements that are disturbing our community, stealing the items, on top of other allegations that I'm picking. From the history of this incident, it is crystal clear that this thuggery and lawlessness is also crossing to our neighboring district of Butembo. We cannot condone that, and we will not allow that. Stealing cattle is something that we've come to stamp out in Bukedia. These good things that they can steal animals and walk free. From today that must stop. As long as I'm DPC with the security team, we shall fight up to the last person.
Meja olila Jacob Fay Lode Buda itemoke airi amuni na ada engare no koluda Ayuara district na kaluyare otemona da luyare ngesi de balada ebe.
When I realized that both sides were willing to sit and harmonize issues, I crossed it with the big people here, RDC Bukedea and RDC Butebo. LOC 5 Butebo, LOC 5 Bukedea. Then I requested them to allow me initiate a meeting. Also, RDC accepted it. What we want from both sides is a new era. Where you erred, accept it. Nobody is an island.
Constant Rochuna, Lord Rapolo Necholong, LOC 1, Ochalo Lokoboli, Nesida Balebe.
Ekoko itisabalua beat. Anyeta doloko na loketa na ga itukuriana. Kangoli re kere na re makabe epone ka police na ikametonga. Butebo mponga na butebo. Emobuja sitsapune meri bora tonga. Egolite gudo dai tukuriana betonga luwa ndi tonga kerite. Ay potuma ay monyo ko sikoto sa ipuju ho jawu o chamu tisaba unare ko pota belaki are bogno sida kiti takere belaki no sotunga kitia raune ngwengwe nare tunga munuli kamita gelegela takerini rabe ite ja koko ne ja tutubete kitwa ngibutebu konye jaisa jena no so lanto do mamere ko situnga koko ete era na koko ne rai organized etwan labu na koko ane luana dabu ne rai toro balasa koni do de kingo kwa bunere moyi wala ripurushu ogebune ritonga kwa kena yi atia etogo ke itogo ke de kai shwe ya retin kwa nana ido da ki jeri so wona bara pelle kin de ka chade marisal ko sa ki raus na boko ja imite lo kollo ma pugan won ngisha koko na ga idulesi ko so da ngi chini wona be nyobo are ko ko do be tonga nani da re nyaare tonga le do la kai soni ore Papa ne sana lu edo e tomono e do do so ma so ma so e yito e twe ari to ga mene bongo no ritunga wori bode bongo no ritungore
the way it was transacted akoduga limokidesi I want to tell you alupokodu arati tuga this land try to as much as possible avoid land conflicts. I want to tell you as the RDC that Buba Epeyet are thieves. They have terrorized the people. Keko kwata eloseta agopo buketi aluo jirip.
James Okuru tulodera LOC 5 district aloko Butebu ngesi de buda ichora katumuna ka keranyu ni daebe
no ya koko elomont osipalo obukedi ya no tema lo kidongole akota ichora kina tumunaka isomata oyanyo tube ibore ni koto jokere kapetunga nani ejaja som ay nyenyir nyek saloma kiti borolo akoko na dumuni na tipet nara ngini mami ngara kini Butebo kada bukedi ay somana ra gare sek nyek sa yauni boro yene yauni guru neja si districts lo yare.
So we would really have requested also to be picked by Butebo police. Ikota anyi beti ngunu dalo ngare nikineta akero na abili bilo oy kamona alaijo po Butebo. Because word around is that some of these people are only victims of land. Kwenye no kwa nara ne wanyo luipo alo alamilu arano akero no alupo. Rita ilu ibala seze be aruta ai. Ibala seze jalua poto igaren. Lui yele tesi. Yele zigaranti polisi alibuda.
Itunga ikanya pengis de buda polisi togo gong ebe dauta ikopekwa na bera ikamun kanoda kironoda egonga kina keda Amumu na de bue buangu na kanoda ichue keda tia itogoi akaulo na de kingo ka supun osorite do alu asuro kinire realu de pone supun ere itunga luda ometeba kokotosa ituku Kanuka TV East Martinopolo Kobukedia District.
Ajena obonabe ai boy sitina emela situnga lo kadawa noi anyuta na